Hey whales, good morning, happy Tuesday. Let's go over and break down NVIDIA for today's trading session. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And if you want my actual trades though guys, come join Discord. I give my exact entries, targets, stop losses, everything that you need here to succeed. So if you need help in figuring out when to get into companies like Tesla, NVIDIA, Netflix, Meta, come join. You're going to make a lot of money with us. So we will see you guys here. All right, so with that said, coming into this week, we were expecting NVIDIA to push off these lows, and we did. And essentially, we're looking for 5 waves in for this wave 1 before a larger dip later in this week for a wave 2, right? I mentioned in my past videos, I do believe Monday would be green, right? But as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there could be some choppy waters and ultimately red days coming up, right? So you got to stay patient, right? Don't get chopped up. Just make sure that if you do go in, you keep your risks in order, okay? So let's go down to the 30-minute time frame to sort of unfold the story as of what's going on right now. Now, on the 30-minute, take this with a grain of salt, right? So essentially, if we're calling this the low, the invalidation level at 86, if we're looking for a bullish path, we're looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4 for a wave 5 towards the upside, right? We don't have a wave 5 in yet, guys. That is the problem that's currently forming. We don't have a wave 5 yet. Right? We only see 3 waves in. We need to see a 4 and a 5 for this to officially be a bullish sequence where we get 5 waves in for a wave 1 before an ABC structure for a wave 2 coming down, right? So I'm looking at this at the later of the week if we can put this 5 waves in. Now, if it doesn't put that 5 wave in, what could happen is that we actually have a bearish structure, that this is actually an ABC towards the upside, right? A bearish 3-wave sequence. 1, 2, 3, right? ABC. This would be a wave 1, 2, and then a 3 impulse structure downwards, right? 4, 5 for a marginal low, right? Closer to 75, guys, right? 75 is sort of that main level that NVIDIA is sort of geared towards, right? As an algo target. So it's still there. The liquidity, all the stops are right here, guys, right? So what NVIDIA could do, the market makers could have a 5-wave structure, take out all the stops here, gain liquidity, and then push higher, right? So I've seen this happen a lot of times in the past, guys, so that's definitely something you got to keep a lookout for, right? All the stops are down here. So what am I going to do if I'm a market maker? I'd push the price lower and stop everyone out, right? And then push it higher, okay? So just be mindful that that can definitely happen. But if we're looking for higher, we're looking for that 5th wave between 118, 122, before a potential low. Now, if you're a trader, in my opinion, if you're not already in a long from here, like our Discord group at 100, or here down at 97, like our Discord group, right? You shouldn't be longing these levels. Extremely risky, right? Extremely choppy, because it is literally a 50-50. It can go either way. So, my opinion, don't do anything crazy, right? You want to see 5 waves in first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will always be dips, guys. There will always be dips. So once you get that 5 waves in, then on the A, B, C, you can go on the larger structures, right? You can buy in here. You can buy in here, right? With the stops underneath 86 if you want to, if this is the bullish path, right? Until then, again, just if you're not in longs already, be careful. I expect, a lot of chop, right? Green days, but then ultimately later half into this week, we'll most likely, start getting some red days forming. So just be careful, right? Don't do anything crazy. And again, if you need my exact entries, guys, I'm telling you, you're going to make a lot of money with us. If you need exact entries, come join Discord. We'll see you there. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your Tuesday.